What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over the exact way I grew my account from 1,000 to 2,500 in just a little over a month, and how you can do it too. Again, this is the secret to growing a small account. I'm going to let you in on exactly what I know so that you can do it too. So buckle in. Let's get into it. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to, I have like all this cool setup, so like I wanted to hop on and just make a quick video for you. But I just want to kind of recap my month for you. I wanted to make this into like a YouTube video. I still might, but it's just focusing, like this whole month I was focusing on just growing a small account and what that looked like. I started actually end of January, and up pretty good on the account, but I just wanted to look at this month only and what that looked like, a whole month of trading with the ups and downs of that, wins and losses. So I want to go over my 3 trades today, and then also I'll share kind of those trades that I've been taking this month. But anyways, yeah, looking at Amazon. So this one was a little bit more aggressive, just like a pop in, pop out kind of play. Got back in here, kind of on. I think the candle went like this. It was like up, sell off, and got in. So I was able to get a good fill, made like $120 there. Tesla had a really awesome play. We opened up inside, came out, kind of traded inside, popped out. I was gonna get in here, and oddly enough, my dad called me like right during the middle of it, and so it kind of distracted me. And like I had to answer the phone, and then I noticed like, oh crap, okay. So then we got back in. I just got in. So it ended up being a good trade there. Went right to my PT. Had my PT just at 202.40. I kind of looked at this, like I was looking at, okay, these like equal highs, from like this resistance right here. So I just put my target kind of right above that. Could have targeted probably down to here, and it still would have been fine. But I was just like, let me take my profit. I'm a 1 to 1.4 R, really good. I bet we go all the way down, but really good trade. And then Meta, again, my loss for the day. This one, I think acceptance is there. What I'd really like to have seen though is like these lows be taken out. That's what I probably should have waited for. Like, even though we take out this low, that low is pretty insignificant, in the grand scheme of this trade. And we also reverse really quickly once we do. So I should have looked for some alternatives there. Probably should not have shorted this. I kind of let my pre-market plan bias get ahead of me. Tesla was so nice because we kind of stopped on the high yesterday. It's more like almost an equal high, but close to a stop on of that high, kind of pushed back in. I can see Tesla just stopped so even a further target would have been fine just to hold it a little bit longer, but I was able to get out right there, kind of on that wick. Probably could have made a little bit more had that wick not have been so aggressive. I bet there was some spread, like some slippage there, probably about $10-15 a contract. But yeah, that's kind of my trades today. But then, yeah, I want to touch on kind of my small account growth and how that's been going. So I started it back in the end of January with 1K. Again, I was going to make this a YouTube video. I probably still will, but I just wanted to share with you guys kind of what I've been doing, because I'm sure a lot of you have been noticing, like, dude, why are your P&L so small? Like, it used to be making $500 a day, now it's like 100. But again, that's why. But again, started with 1,000 on the 22nd of January, and you just ever since then, like, been on a tear. You've been doing really good. So started off January really well with it. So that really helped me. But then looking at February, right, let's sort this date range for this month only. All right, so up about $678 on the month, which would be, let me see, basically started the month at about a $1,500 account because of the wins I had last month. So I'm up about a total of almost, $1,000 on the month. Minus, whatever, up. I'm just trying to think. So it's up about 900 since the end of January. What is the 20? Let's just do 2,400 times. Was that 50%? No, about 25% account growth. A little over 25% account growth in a month, right? And again, my win rate's not crazy. Like, look at this. I have a 56% win rate. I have a 1 to 1.7 risk reward. Right? That's why I want to point out. That's why I'm making this video, so you can see these metrics. It's like you don't need this crazy risk to reward, this crazy win rate. 56% win rate, 1 to 1.7 risk reward, $678. Again, if we go percentages, I think I can change it. Right, here we go. If we go percentage growth, that's not right. That's not right. 67% account. That's not right. It's a 25% account growth from the month of January. So again, started January, or sorry, month of February. Started February at I think it should have been 31, because I had a winning trade on losing trade. Yep. So 1,500 on the 1st of February. Lost the first trade. Crushed it ever since then. But just wanted to focus on, like, anyone that's struggling and saying like, oh, $100 is nothing, or I'll never grow a small account, whatever. Again, these are all these trades are TLM, right? So this is just tracking TLM. I've done swings on my other account, but this is all TLM, right? Everything's TLM based. In a month of trading TLM only, with a few days off because of moving, right? 56% win rate, 1.17 risk reward, right? That's below the average student based off the surveys that we put out, right? So that just goes to show that this system works, right? The biggest thing is risk management. As you can see, the biggest thing is risk management, right? I may have, like, this was a pretty big red day, right? This is a pretty big red day relative to everything else, but it still fits. It's still smaller than my biggest win day, right? And it still fits inside my risk parameters, okay, of about 5 to 10% per trade, right? Actually, it's 5% per trade, but just depends on account overall. But that's what you want to do. That's what you want to look for in your account growth. And I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you, because if you guys have been questioning, like, why is this gain so much smaller, just to clear that up. But then also just let you know, like, give you encouragement, and hey, it's possible for you as well, right? You have a 1K account, 2K account, 5K account, 10K account. Dude, you can make crazy money. $678 in a month is for literally nothing, like no work at all. That's what you need right there. That's perfect. And then overall, in the whole account, up about $1,400. Since it started with 1,000, up about $1,400. Again, all synced with TradingView for the whole. Since starting it, I have a 60% win rate, 1 to 2.5 risk reward. So again, still nothing crazy. Even with a little bit, like a really good week here, nothing crazy. So hope you find this video helpful. Hope you guys like my new setup, and also want to remind you of Jordan's Q&A tonight, right? Hopefully you guys can still see this. He's doing a Q&A tonight. The link will be posted in the Slack. I'm also going to go live tomorrow morning. Okay. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to have live trading. And yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. To wrap it up here, again, I just want to remind you one more time, just make sure you like, subscribe, and then leave a comment of exactly how you found this video and what your thoughts are. And if you have any suggestions of how I can improve this channel to make sure you're getting the most value, I'd love to hear it. So again, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.